Hey class, welcome to week 3 of International Business 113. I'm sure you've noticed by now that this week you do have an assignment due, and that assignment is checkpoint number 1. Now, the way the class is set up, you select a country, you research the country, we discuss the research that you find inside the discussion boards, and then that research flows into your checkpoint, and then your checkpoints ultimately build into your final project. So this week you really are bringing together and presenting the first 6 slides of your final project. All this information could be found on the course information tab, assignment guidelines and rubrics. The final project template is the blank one. Today we're going to go over the final project guide. So like I said, the first checkpoint comprises of 6 slides. The slides are built on information that you've researched and presented inside the discussion boards. The first slide is obviously what we could call a title slide. The second slide, now we get into the introduction. So you can see that the information that you researched and provided in Module 1 is what you're bringing over and inserting onto this slide. So you're talking about your rationale, the location, and geography. Once again, you already researched and presented this information inside a discussion Module 1. The third slide is where we start our socio-cultural environment. Once again, this is the information that you collected for Module 1 discussion, the country composition. The fourth slide is a continuation of the social cultural environment, but now you can see we're on to Module 2 discussion. So this is the information that you researched and presented during Module 2, where you researched the values and communication and the business etiquette. The fifth slide is the social cultural environment observation deck. Now the observation deck is a little bit different. It's really where you get the chance to bridge the gap between concepts and application. So you look at all the concepts, you look at all the research, all the data, all the information that you've discovered, and you really think about how that applies and interacts into the business environment of today. Ultimately, the information that you researched would lead a U.S. executive to deciding to enter the market or not entering the market. So this is where you really bridge that gap between data and application. The last slide for checkpoint 1 is the political legal environment. As you can see, this is the research from Module 3 discussion. So in Module 3, you're providing government and ideologies and corruption. So that's all I really have. I just wanted to show you how the scaling works as far as the research you find, you provide inside the discussion board. That information from the discussion board, you insert into your checkpoints, and your checkpoints really do build your final project. If you have any questions, feel free to call me up. You could also email me. I really want you guys to have a solid understanding of this first checkpoint. Other than that, have a great rest of the week. Thank you.